My name is Chris Gregory. I'm here at Heartland Horseshoeing School. We've been operating in this part of the world since '95, so we've been doing it a while. And there's been several people kind of try to film a reality TV show. We're launching a new one called Blacksmith Boot Camp.
Blacksmith Boot Camp is a reality series following the journey of horseshoeing students at Heartland Horseshoeing School in Lamar, Missouri. Sometimes when we hear the term reality, we question just how real is this that I'm watching? Well, I'm there on location and I'm filming real blood, real sweat, and real tears that's just part of the program there at Heartland. This is 100% authentic. Not only are we going to get a sneak peek into the daily routine and grind of the students there at the school, we're also going to hear from students individually, hear their stories, where they've come from, and where they hope to go in the future after going through this school.
June 4th will be the premiere. Kind of get to see the lives and times of these folks behind me that are struggling to learn this incredibly difficult craft.
GE Forge and Tool has teamed up with the school to be able to produce this 15-episode reality series that's going to have something for everyone. Of course, we're going to get the farriers, the horse lovers, but the general audience hasn't seen anything like this.
Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to watch, enjoy, and who knows, you might just be made out to be a horseshoer yourself.
It's going to be an incredible ride. We can't wait to bring it to you on June 4th.